Hello children, welcome back to our literature class, and here we are learning of third lesson from literature part, that is Project Tiger written by Satyajit Ray. In previous class you have learned how Satyajit Ray had borrowed a tiger from a circus group, that is Bharat Circus group, and how he had moved to shoot the scene of tiger, and there the coach or the trainer who is to tame this tiger, how he faced the difficulty, and he is even two assistant plus this shooting people. They were not aware what to do and how to help Mr. Tharot, because the tiger had come out for the first time from the zoo, okay, and it had viewed the nature, okay. In this way, when the tiger lost its patience, its control over its mind and all, it dragged its coach, its trainer, and it moved aside, okay, and it entered into the bamboo grave. Later on, when they tried to shoot the scene, it was difficult to them, but even though after some time the tiger got calm, okay. And the other incident which took place when the trainer, Mr. Tharot, he asked the tiger to jump on a stool and sit. How he used to train it in the circus, and how he used to guide the tiger when they used to play the scene in circus. But here what happened? The tiger did not obey its master or the trainer. It neglected completely its words. Okay. By seeing this, Mr. Tharot was little embarrassed and he got scared. Okay. Then even though he tried to control his fear, and he once again he said the tiger to jump on the stool and make the tiger to enter in the cage which was in lorry, okay. But what happened here? Come, now we will move to the lesson, today's lesson. Till now what we have read in the previous session, that I have said. Firstly I will read the paragraph, then I will continue the explanation, okay children. I hope you are understanding my explanation, okay children. Okay, turn your page number 32 from your literature book. Is that clear children? Okay. Mr. Tharot had clearly never faced such a situation before, but the tiger's behavior made us feel quite assured, even bold. A tiger that chewed bamboo leaves could definitely not be a man-eater. I took the camera even closer to the tiger and used the remaining film to capture this most untiger-like behavior. However, purely out of the blue, even as the camera was running, the tiger shot up in the air, took a giant leap and got back into its cage. It must have covered the distance between the lorry and the bamboo grave, a matter of at least 60 feet, in just about a second. So, come children, let's move to the explanation. Before that, let me give the meaning of few words. Okay, so the first is the meaning of natural habitat. According to this lesson, here the place where tiger is normally found. Okay, and the second, gone to its head. What does it mean? What does this sentence mean? Here, made a tiger behave abnormally, because the first time it had come in the open nature. Reassured. Here, what does it mean? Reassured means not frightened. Okay. The people who were viewing the tiger's behavior, they were not scared now. Why? As the tiger was eating the young leaves of bamboo tree. Okay. And the tiger which eats leaves means it can't harm human being. Okay. Now, shoot. What does it mean? Shoot means here a scene in which, a scene in a movie that is filmed continuously by one camera. Okay children. So here come, let's move to the explanation. Okay, so when Mr. Tharot was trying to say the tiger to climb and move toward the lorry or its cage, at the time firstly it did not listen to the words of Mr. Tharot, but later on it got completely calm and it gone close to its trainer. Okay, so Mr. Tharot, who never come across this situation, he never faced this. Now the behavior was quite assured, as you have come through the meaning here. Assured means what? Reassured means here not frightened. So even Mr. Tharot was not frightened, nor the tiger was frightened. So both worked very calmly. When the tiger was sitting next to the bamboo grove, near closer to the Mr. Tharot, it was chewing the leaves of bamboo tree. Means eating, biting the leaves of bamboo tree. What did the author did? He come to know. What did he come to know that? The tiger which is chewing or eating or biting the young leaves of bamboo tree, it can't harm human beings. It is not man-eater. So he gone closer with his camera and he tried to shoot the whole scene. And even tiger not behave weirdly. Okay. So when he had captured the scene, the unseen or the tiger, the most un-tiger-like behavior, means very rare behavior. Commonly, if we see the wild animals, it attack on human beings or it likes to eat the flesh. It never try to eat the grass. Is it or not? But this tiger was eating grass or the leaves of bamboo tree. So the author tried to continue the scene. When he was shooting, moving round to the tiger, suddenly what happened? The tiger stood up and it took a giant leap jump. Means here the single high jump it has taken from the place where it was there in the bamboo grove, from there to directly in its cage which was placed in the lorry. Okay, what distance it has covered in 1 second, in a fraction of second? It was at least 60 feet. In a fraction of second it had covered that big distance. So what they had said here, took a giant leap and got back into the cage. Okay. So this was about the explanation of this paragraph. Come, let's move to the next paragraph. This should have been the end of the story, but when we returned to Calcutta and looked at the scenes with the tiger, we realized that our camera had failed to work properly. The shoots were too dark, so much so that the tiger was merging almost completely with the background of the trees and leaves. So what did you come to know with this paragraph, children? When the shooting people as well as the circus people and the author, they started their journey back to Calcutta. They played the video, and what they saw, the clips were completely dark. The tiger picture as well as forest or the green or the trees which were there in the shooting, they all get merged or mixed. Okay, it was not clear where the tiger is, where the tree is or the plant is. Okay, so what they did, the shoots are not being clear, so they decided to come back again. So when they thought we can end the shoot with a dreadful scene, it was very terrible moment, is it, to them? Yeah. But later on, after covering certain shoots or scenes, what they realized was not correct. What was the reason for this? Their camera did not work properly. Okay, children, they failed to shoot the scene in correct form. So come, children, let's move further. Yeah, children. What were we going to do now? Should we admit defeat and drop this scene from the film? Oh no! Bharat Circus had not left Calcutta yet. We went back and spoke to Mr. Tharot again. A brave man, he agreed to give it another go. The good thing was that this time he and his tiger did not have to travel as far as Shivri. We had found another bamboo grove closer to Calcutta in the village called Boral. Boral was well known to us, for we had shoot most of Pattar Panchali there, working with Apu, Durga and Indra Thakuru. Now we would have Gopi, Bagh and Mr. Tiger. So see children, what did you come to know from this paragraph? When they realized the scene were not being shoot correctly, it was completely dark. Okay, then what did they thought to do? Actually, Mr. Satyajit Ray, he tried to take another chance. So what did he do? He came to know that the circus people did not leave Calcutta. As they were trying to leave, they were moving to other place. They did not leave. So Satyajit Ray, he gone and spoke to the circus people and especially Mr. Thorot. And whereas this brave man, Mr. Thorot, after facing lots of difficulties, even though he agreed. Okay, so instead of going to Shivri, where they have gone near to the place, they did not need to travel a long distance. Now they have gone closer, or they found a different location for their shooting. Which place it was? It was the other bamboo grove in Kolkata village only, that was Boral. Okay, so Boral was another place where they had placed the location for the tiger shooting. Okay, where previously also they have worked. They have shoot previously also the other films like Pattar Panchali with other animals. Okay, like Appu and Durga. So here they have shoot most of the things, and now he is going to shoot or film this kind of movie with tiger, or the tiger's life he was going to describe. And what he said here, Guppy, Bagh and Mr. Tiger, this kind of lifestyle or the life of tiger or the wildlife of tiger, about that he was going to describe in this movie. Okay children, I hope you understood till what I have explained in the lesson, and hope you got clear. Okay, so in the next session we will learn about the remaining part.